here with Duke Rehab 2 Performance. And again, progressing this hip flexor stretch as well as then glute activation. So we've moved now to a 2-leg bridge. Again, once again, a very common exercise that we'll see at the gym and one that we'll commonly see misused or done incorrectly. Because a lot of times we'll see the folks lift their hips up off the ground and will come really, really high. And we have to question whether we're really getting hip extension or we're just getting a lot of lumbar extension. So if we're going to use this as a glute activation, first thing that we want to focus on, just like we did with the hip flexor stretch earlier, make sure that we neutralize the pelvis first. So we can posterior tilt, anterior tilt, posterior tilt, and then come back to a middle position. Nice. And once we're there, I'm going to have the client find their bottom rib with their thumbs and locate their ASIS with their index or middle finger. And now maintaining that distance and keeping it the same, I want them to contract their glutes, lift off the ground. If that distance increases between their two fingers, we know that they're going into lumbar extension. If it remains the same, we know that we're actually just getting glute activation and into hip extension. You can relax back down. So by maintaining that distance, we can really ensure that we're correctly using the glutes and not overusing the long erectors of the back. That's your 2-leg bridge.